Take control of your Instagram experience and transform your account into a private sanctuary. First, open your Instagram app. You'll see your feed, but our journey to privacy starts in your profile. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is your main menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all the magic happens. Now scroll down until you find the Account Privacy section. It's usually towards the middle of the screen. Right there, you'll see an option to Private Account. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Switch to make your account private. And just like that, your account is now private. This means only people you approve can see your posts, stories, and reels. You'll notice a small lock icon next to your username on your profile, a clear indicator of your new privacy status. For an extra layer of control, explore the Close Friends feature to share specific stories with a select group. New followers will now have to request to follow you, and you can review each request before accepting. You can even remove existing followers by visiting their profile and tapping the 3 dots to remove follower. Enjoy a more secure and selective sharing experience on Instagram.